Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make this makeup. First I'm gonna start with the cream face, then I apply a little baby cream. I don't apply the face cream now because I ran out of that and I need to get a new one. Then I'm using my Claire's eyeshadow palette. I'm using this for years, not just only for the mirror but the colors. I'm using the black and the um, and gray, this sparkly gray next to the black, or it's upper a little bit. So I'm gonna start with this dark base, then I use this shiny purple color on my cheeks and on my nose. It looked pretty cool, I think. It started out pretty nice. Then a similar green, but under the purple one. Oh, I can't talk today. It's really hard. Then I'm using my Claire's Wind palette because there was a lot of great shiny blue and they looked super cool. Ooh, I really can't talk. Super cool and pigmented. This was super awesome, as you can see. And then I used it dark and this bright blue, and they looked super cool. I loved them so much. So yes, then I use my NYX I Love You So Much highlighter palette. I used the pink color, and at the end I used several times one of the white ones, but first I used the pink because I wanted, there was purple, blue, green, and I wanted a little bit pinkish color, and I think it looked great. Yes, and at the end I used the white highlighter just to blend this mess together, and it became like this, and the whole got a little shine. Yes, and I used my Imagic body and face paint palette to draw stars. I didn't like them when I made them, but in real life it doesn't look like that good that here, but I don't know. When I first edited the video I looked, oh, this is so good, but when I was made it, it's horrible, I need to do something to fix this stupid mess here. And then I applied more highlighter, but it looked good again, I think. I don't know which one was better, this or the when the stars were looking good, but that was it, my Lucid Dreams makeup. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of link in the description that you should check out, and see you in the next video. Bye!